identify to be fascinated by my love. That's why the stories told. So you don't grow old, stuck in this web of thinking. It's a stack the odds against myself, just in case it works out. I can believe in magic. And magic says, hey, you know, I could show up before the situation gets so tough.